The clash in St. Paul over who controls the state capitol is now in court.
Today, DFL House members and Secretary of State Steve Simon filed lawsuits challenging the House Republicans' actions on the first day. The GOP is moving forward with the work of the House as planned. Caroline Cummings reports on the latest development in the power struggle.
Hortman. The House stood half full once again on Wednesday after Democrats stayed away from St. Paul for the second day in protest of what they allege is an illegitimate power grab by the other side.
A quorum is present.
What constitutes a quorum, or the minimum number of members required by the Constitution to do anything in the chamber, is at the heart of two lawsuits filed to the Supreme Court challenging House Republicans' actions on the first day of session and everything thereafter. Both parties are at odds over what that threshold is. Democrats say it's 68, while Republicans say it's 67, which would allow them to move forward, organize as a majority, and elect a speaker. Right now, the one-seat edge the GOP has, at least until a special election later this month, leaves the chamber at 67 to 66. After that, it could return to a tie.
Republicans did not have a quorum. The Secretary of State has the authority to call the House to order. They completely ignored that and engaged in a sham proceeding unlike anything we could have imagined or have ever seen before. Now the quorum question is before the state Supreme Court. House Democrats are asking the state's highest court to nullify everything House Republicans have done since the first day of session and bar them from doing anything else until 68 members are present in the House. DFL Secretary of State Steve Simon also filed a petition with similar arguments. Republicans stand by organizing as a majority and are prepared to defend it in court.
The right way to deal with that is for members of the House to show up here and have those discussions and have those votes, and that's what we're doing.
At the Capitol, Caroline Cummings, WCCO News.
The Minnesota Republican Party has its own lawsuit before the Supreme Court alleging Governor Tim Walz called for a special election for the vacant Roseville House seat too soon and violated state law. The court heard oral arguments in the case today.